Hello, and welcome to Defining the New Mobile Enterprise. Every time someone in the office shows off the latest mobile computing device they just acquired, the pressure on the internal IT department mounts. Every day, managers across the organization are making it not so subtly clear that they want to use these devices to access enterprise applications. The trouble is, conventional wisdom holds that existing enterprise applications were never designed to support mobile computing devices, especially on older applications that are difficult and costly to modify. That same wisdom also posits that the IT department will never be hip enough to deal with mobile computing, so therefore, never the twain shall mobile computing and enterprise applications ever meet. We at Attachmate think that no matter what anyone else says, IT organizations should not limit their mobile computing imaginations. We specifically designed our Attachmate Verastream middleware to allow any mobile computing device that supports HTML5 to access any legacy enterprise application. To make that happen without any re-engineering or coding required, we make it possible for you to choose an enterprise host application and invoke Verastream to auto-generate a new user interface that renders on any of the current or upcoming mobile devices. That means any worker can use a tablet or a smartphone to access data in exactly the same way they're used to on their desktop PCs. Alternatively, you could choose to create an entirely new mobile computing experience. By deploying a custom mobile-enabled HTML5 front-end, you can create a whole new application UI, even to the point of modifying the associated workflow. You can even isolate specific areas within the application for your new customized UI and let Verastream auto-generate the rest of the application. With this capability, you can selectively target only the data you need for the project at hand. Or, if you're more ambitious, you can opt to build completely new services based on a service-oriented architecture. Using Verastream, you can create entirely new mobile applications from the enterprise assets you currently have running. All this can be done without having to modify your current stock of enterprise apps. They say old dogs can't learn new tricks. We think they can not only learn new tricks, they can teach everyone else in the organization a few new ones. In fact, industry analysts are reporting that 90% of companies will support corporate applications on personal mobile devices in the next 3 years. There's no way that all those existing corporate applications are going to be ripped out and replaced by then. The simple truth of the matter is that mobile devices are just the latest in a series of client devices that Verastream can integrate with enterprise applications in a matter of days. And we should know a thing or two about maximizing the value of enterprise applications. We've been doing just that for more than 31 years now. We invite you to visit our website to learn more about Verastream, and perhaps just as importantly, to understand how Verastream helps IT departments transform the perception of their organizations within their company almost overnight.